In this video, we will learn about the report builder in OSCaR that allows you to generate detailed reports based on defined conditions. In this video, we will introduce you to all the features in Report Builder, then show how to generate a report with an example, view, and export the report. Let's begin. The Report Builder option is available in the Clients, Families, and Partners tabs. Compared to the Clients tab, Families and Partners tabs have fewer report building parameters to choose from. In this video, we will generate a client report, so we will go to the Clients tab. Report Builder lets us compile detailed reports and export them for further analysis or sharing. We can create highly detailed and precise reports for monitoring and evaluation if all the records are maintained carefully in OSCaR. Report Builder Wizard is a widget for quick report building. This widget has step-by-step instructions to help generate a report. We can use either Report Builder or Report Builder Wizard for running a report. The end results are the same. In this video, we will focus only on the Report Builder. Consider this example. We want a report for the number of male clients between the ages of 15 and 18 who are currently enrolled in the Access to Education program and what type of support they are receiving. That's a lot of information. How do we know where to start? Here's a quick tip. Write down your requirements as a statement, then pick out the data points you require. This will help you pick the correct filters to build your search. Here the filters we want are gender and age. We will need to use the AND operator here because we want both these criteria to be true. The AND/OR filters are used to define a highly flexible combination of conditions to search for specific data. When used correctly, we can create reports with very specific targeting of data for in-depth analysis. It allows us to search and include multiple data points in a single report. View the Simplifying AND/OR Filters video to get the hang of using this powerful tool. We will select a condition from the first drop-down menu. Let's start with gender. Parameter and value fields appear after selecting the filter category. Here we will tell the system which conditions the client data should fulfill in order to appear in the search. In the parameter fields, define whether the condition should be true or not. We want to view male clients, so we will select Is from the drop-down menu. These are the parameters that tell the system what criteria should or should not be included. Next, specify the value related to the condition. In this case, we will select male. We have successfully set our first condition. Now, let us define the second condition of age. The Add Rule button allows adding another condition. We can keep adding conditions one after the other this way. Notice that the parameters are different in this drop-down. The symbols here are mathematical symbols and are used with the same meaning as in mathematics. We will see these conditions for all numerical conditions, such as age, date, ID, score, etc. In this example, we will select between because we want to define the range of the age. Then enter the number in the value fields. Based on our requirements, we can keep adding conditions this way. When we add conditions, the toggle is set to AND by default. In this example, if we change it to OR, we will get incorrect results. We've set up the basic filters for gender and age. As per the requirement, we need the client's enrollment information in the Access to Education program. We will select these checkboxes to search for information related to the custom referral data, form, or program. Custom referral data is the information that was entered in the fourth step when adding a new client. When adding a new client, it was called specific point of referral data. This data is customized for each organization based on their own tracking requirements. Clicking the Custom Referral Data checkbox adds more options in the and/or filter drop-down menu. Clicking the Custom Forms checkbox displays a new field. Clicking inside this field displays a list of forms. Select one or more forms from the list. On selecting a form, the Custom Form columns drop-down shows the table headers related to each form. Select checkboxes to specify the columns we want in our report. Similarly, clicking the Custom Program Streams checkbox displays a new field where we can select one or more programs. In this example, we will select the Access to Education program. Program streams have enrollment, tracking, and exit forms. We need to specify from which of these forms should the system pull the data. In this example, we want to view the clients currently enrolled in this program, so we will select the enrollment form. The Program Stream Column Picker shows the columns from the forms that we selected in the previous step. Here it shows the column headers only from the enrollment form, because that's what we selected earlier. We will select the enrollment date and what support the clients are receiving. This information will be included for all the clients appearing in our search. Now let's go back to conditions. Additional conditions related to the program stream have appeared on the list. Using these conditions, we can apply more filters to pick selective information from the program stream forms. Similarly, more options get added based on which forms and program streams are selected. Let's say, for example, we want to filter clients who receive university scholarship support under this program. From Client General Information, we can pick which columns we want to include in the report. The information will be pulled from the client enrollment forms. We also can include assessment columns based on client assessment data. We may not always require all general information in a report, so to avoid unnecessary details in the report, we need to deselect and then reselect relevant columns. Let's select a few basic columns. We have now set up all the required conditions. On clicking Search, the system will filter the data and display the results according to the conditions we defined. We can always modify the filters and click Search till we're satisfied with the results. The results will be displayed in a table. The table headers correspond to the column selections we made when building the search. The first few table headers will show client general information columns. The next two columns are related to the program stream details. These details are pulled from details that were entered when enrolling the client in the program stream. As we can see, the results show only those clients that match the gender and age conditions we defined earlier. The results will not show any other client that did not fit these conditions, even if they are enrolled in the Access to Education program stream. Quick Graph consolidates the search results in the form of charts. This option becomes available after we click Search. We can view details by hovering the mouse over the points in the charts. Hide and unhide any data by clicking the index. Exporting the report is a simple step. Clicking the Export to XLS button will export the results in the table as a spreadsheet and save it in the Downloads folder. All the headers are the same as we picked in the column selection in the previous step. We've successfully generated the report specific to our requirements. Before we conclude, let's quickly review some useful features. We can view and compare the CSI assessment scores by clicking the Assessment Data button. The pop-up window shows the scores for clients whose assessments were completed. The Excel Export button here exports only the CSI assessment scores into a separate spreadsheet. And that's it for the Report Builder. Don't get intimidated by the number of features. With a little bit of practice, you'll get the hang of this powerful tool. If you still have any questions, contact the OSCaR support team for further help.